Hi everybody, I just built this AI powered 8th grade math tutoring app, and it's called winscore.com, and this has a free diagnostic. If you click on that, you will get a free diagnostic questions. Click on it, check your answer, or even better, if you want to go to the next question, you can have a 3 hints here, if in case you don't know how to answer the right way, or you still have if you still need help, just click on step mode. It will come out in 2 or 3 seconds to show you where the hints, where the steps are. And so please check out. This is going to be very useful for the 7th or 8th graders who are taking SSAT exam or IC exam or ISEE exam. Thank you.